To prevent issues like this, your truck needs some heavy duty bumpers. In this video, we're gonna install some Go Rhinos on this Silverado. A customer came to us with his Silverado and he was upset because he had a small accident with the front bumper of his truck. Now, if you're driving a big truck like this, sometimes stuff like this can just happen. Stuff just sneaks out of nowhere and can grab your front bumper. So we're gonna be installing a pair of bumpers from Go Rhino, one in the front, one in the back. We're also doing a bunch of LED lighting from Rough Country, and we're gonna bury a winch inside that front bumper. So hopefully these bumpers can be much more than what that provides and can be useful too by providing some shackle mounts and a place that you can pull some people out with a winch. So we're gonna show you the whole process, and I'm excited to see that. We've got the Go Rhino bumpers installed on the Silverado, and the whole product turned out awesome. If you're looking to add some serious protection to your half-ton truck, these are a bumper to consider. One thing I really liked about this bumper is that it's winch integrated. The one thing you need to think about if you're getting a winch is it's gotta be able to have a removable solenoid pack. So we opted for a Smittybilt winch and it worked out perfectly. We also jammed in there some lights in the corners as well as a light bar up in the middle of the front bumper. One thing I want to show you that you can option with this front bumper are these knurled thumb screws. So you can take them out, and if you need to access that winch to engage the clutch or whatever you need to do, it makes it pretty easy to do this. One thing we also add with any other winch that we do is a Factor 55. This is their flat link, and it works out really awesome to connect either a soft shackle or a D-shackle in there, so you've got safe and secure winching. Let us know what you think about this video in our comment section. Remember to subscribe to our channel on YouTube for the latest videos that we do. Also, follow us on Instagram and Facebook to see what's happening in the shop every day. Lastly, if you go to our website, check out the showcase section because it is chock full of some of the sickest builds that we do, and hopefully it gives you inspiration for a build of your very own. Thanks for watching.